Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we're going to see about transfer learning models for COVID-19 pneumonia classification using chest CT images. So this is the multi-class image classification project. So here we have a COVID, normal, pneumonia. So like that we can have some targets. So this title and project inspired from IEEE paper, and I show the paper under here. And this is that paper, year 2022. This project image dataset based project. Generally we can categorize the dataset into 5 types: tabular numerical data, tabular textual data, audio, video, images, like that. So this dataset comes under the images. Image classification is supervised learning problem. So in machine learning, generally we can say 4 types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, reinforcement. So this comes under the supervised machine learning. So nothing but we gonna work with a labeled data set and used technologies: Python 3, Anaconda, TensorFlow, and OpenCV, convolutional neural network, definitely parent algorithm of all the existing algorithms, and then Jupyter Notebook, our IDE, and some machine learning techniques we use for pre-processing. Introduction. COVID-19, also known as the novel coronavirus, is a highly contagious respiratory illness caused by the SARS coronavirus 2 virus. So we all know well how we struggled and suffered during the 2019 and 2020. So majority of the peoples lose their jobs, and most of the peoples died by this disease. So through this project we can give a solution for this kind of virus also, or in the future if we face any problems like this also, through machine learning and deep learning, how we can find a solutions. So that is the concept of this project. Problem statement. So due to COVID-19, many people have lost their lives, and countries' economics have suffered. A lot of people have also lost their jobs. It is crucial to find a way to categorize collected samples effectively to prevent the virus from spreading further. We are attempting to use machine learning to come up with a solution for this problem. And the proposed system. The aim of this study is to develop a deep learning model for COVID-19 pneumonia classification using chest CT images. The system will integrate deep learning or transfer learning techniques. So we can use deep learning algorithms also, and we can use a transfer learning algorithm also. We can use a single algorithm to complete the project. Also we can use 1 or 2 algorithms for the comparison purpose. Many ideas we have to complete this kind of project. So completely what you seeing in this video, just one small reference for your understanding. And then this proposed approach has the potential to improve the accuracy and the efficient diagnosis of COVID-19 pneumonia for chest CT scans. So this is the general system architecture. So here we have a CT images of COVID-19 and a pneumonia patient. Then we performing the image processing, feature engineering, data splitting, model training, validation, everything step by step we are performing. We use classification metrics to evaluate our algorithm too. And then this is some sample images from our data set. Also from another one class, this is the sample images. And then here algorithm details. So completely I have just given something for reference purpose only. So mostly image handling algorithms, CNN based algorithms. So these all the layers will be used, and the major activation functions we can use based on our need. So we can discuss elaborately if you're interested in this project. So finally, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and we have so many videos like this. We working with image based data set, video based data set, audio based data set, tabular textual data, tabular numerical data. So almost we working with all kind of data set. Nothing to hesitate. You can not only for our project, if you have any idea, if you have any reference paper, feel free to reach us. We give the solution, and we give so many enhancement idea how we can complete the project in better way. Completely we are ready to work for you. If you want to do any projects, or else if you need any clarification, here I have mentioned, hope you seeing the screen. Here I have given our office mail ID and valid mobile numbers also I have mentioned here. You can call or you can mail us. If you like this video, like and share your thoughts in the comment box. Also subscribe this video for this kind of more contents. Thank you.